Hey everybody, I'm Jake. This is Fast Lane Classic Cars in St. Charles, Missouri, and this is exactly what I think of when I think of a 1965 or 66 Ford Mustang. This one's a 66, and it has beautiful red paint, a black vinyl interior, a convertible top, a wonderful little 289, and an automatic transmission right behind it. In my opinion, this is the epitome of what a Ford Mustang is, especially the early ones. In the later 60s, yeah, the performance models really took off. You got big blocks and the likes, but this little car is one of my favorite things that Ford has ever made. This one is in extremely nice condition. As I said, it's got a little 289. Let me pop the hood real quick. There's the little 289 cubic inch V8 here in the front, and if you've noticed, there's a big AC compressor right here. I'm also very excited about that. We're not going to need it today because it's kind of cold, but this does have the Ford Underdash air conditioning unit. So if you live somewhere where it's warm all the time or just warm in the summer, don't worry, you can put the top up, kick on your air conditioning, and it does work. I've tested it myself, and you can keep yourself nice and cool. Wonderful little Mustang wheels with the white line tires on them. Doors that open and close, absolutely wonderful. Again, black vinyl interior with bucket seats. You got the woodroom steering wheel. Another thing that makes this car unique is you got the gauges right here on the steering column. You got a tack on this side and a working clock. You can see the second hand moving there. On the right, you got the normal gauges on the dash still, speedo, temp, amperage, oil pressure, and fuel. And there's your wonderful Ford Underdash air conditioning unit. You still have your fan and heater controls right up here. And another thing that makes this a little nice, a little bit more modern, is this upgraded radio right here. AM, FM, and Bluetooth, I believe, made to fit in the factory slot in the dashboard, and still has the chrome buttons on it, so it still looks like an older Mustang radio. It doesn't stick out on your dash like a sore thumb, and you get some nice modern comfort in here as well. You can listen to your music. The interior is in great condition. Black dashboard looks nice. Seats, carpet, everything in great condition. You got a nice black vinyl boot cover on here. The top is underneath. I will put it up in a second. It is a power top. The button for it is right down here. In fact, let me start it up real quick so you guys can hear it. Fires right up and idles very nicely. Wonderful black door panels as well. Again, doors close very nice. You got the chrome luggage rack back here in case you want to take road trips. You do have a big trunk as well. Dual exhaust, this little 289 sounds amazing. GT on the chrome gas cap right there. There goes Jim in a wonderful Impala. We'll get to that video soon actually. But back to this, like I said, beautiful red paint. It is in really nice condition. I also love the white Mustang stripes along the bottom there. Very nice. Chrome door mirrors, wood grain on the dashboard and on the console down there. I love the Mustang design they put in the back seats too, and in the front seats. Looks really cool. This is one of my favorite cars ever made. Like I said, this can do just about anything. Parades, car shows, Sunday drives, date night, whatever you want to do with it. This little car is reliable, it's functional, it looks really good doing it, and it's just, like I said, the epitome of what I think a 65 or 66 Mustang is. Red paint, black bucket seat interior, 289 automatic, and a power convertible top. And I'm really excited to drive this thing with Stabile, so I'm gonna go grab him, and we're gonna take this thing for a little spin. All right, let's put this top up now. Here it goes. White convertible top. Sometimes on these older cars, if you give them a little rev, helps the top go a little bit faster. You can actually hear the tone of the motor pick up when you rev the car. That's kind of funny. Alrighty. You ready, Chris?
We couldn't be more ready.
Very nice startup. Turn the fan on down here for our Underdash AC. I'm going to put it on warm though.
Thank you for that one.
Obviously.
It's a little chilly. It's kind of more wet than anything.
Yeah, it's cloudy, chilly. Rained earlier, so it's wet.
And a chance of snow Friday, huh?
I'm not looking forward to that.
No one is.
Let's see. I'm trying to figure out this radio down here.
Oh, neato. It's Bluetooths.
It need something. Oh, do I have to turn it on? I do. And there
Oh, that would be
retro sound. I've heard
very
of that.
nice. We have used those before.
We have used these before. aux 1, aux 2, Bluetooth audio. There we go.
My
Oh,
God.
I'm gonna figure this out. All right.
Oh, we're gonna listen to. Oh, I hope I know what we're gonna listen to.
You'll probably know it if I.
Does it have anything to do with anybody in racing?
Oh God, I'm not playing the Max Verstappen song. If that's what you mean.
I've been driving everyone crazy with it. It's such a wonderful song. And the meme game is at 100%. I don't even really know what memes are, but by God, those are great.
There it is, retro sound. Oh, this thing drives really nice.
It does. It's peppy. Got a lot of fuel in this bad boy. And the clock is ticking.
I know, the clock works, we got plenty of gas.
Is it Christmas music?
It's not Christmas music either, I'm not ready for that.
Oh, very nice. A little Top Gun action. Works great. We're not going to get copyright struck, are we?
Yes, we are, but I don't care.
Yay! Throwing the rules to the side.
Chris, you've lost that love and feeling.
That's a great one.
It is a good song.
It's old school.
This is working fantastic.
I am very warm.
And with the air all the way warm, it actually puts out hot air, which is nice.
Yeah.
You got a nice glove
look at
box
that.
over here. We have a little sticker in here. Let's see if I can get it out. Come on, here it is.
Get out.
It's a little sticker that you can put over the radio.
Oh,
so,
that's
so it looks
cool.
like the AM channels. I took it off because I couldn't see the screen behind it.
We want to
But
see things.
Kind of cool. Oh, your emergency flashers in here.
Yeah, I'm kind of wondering if they work. That's neat.
I never knew that on the Mustang. I like this wood grain down here. Faux wood, probably.
Love the console.
Got your automatic shifter with overdrive. Very nice. Oh, a cigarette lighter.
Uh-oh.
In case you want to take up smoking.
Don't do
But
it.
don't smoke, kids. Smoke tires, not cigarettes.
Amen.
Yeah, and all these gauges work. Temp, amperage, fuel, oil
The time.
pressure, the tach, the clock works, which is great. Yeah, I love this gauge package on this car.
Oh, it's nice.
I also love the woodroom steering wheel.
I do too.
Looks very nice.
Mustang.
Top is in great condition on the inside. It's toy like a Toyga. It's not
Very toy like a
droopy.
tiger.
Got the top cover back here. Beautiful back seats that are in great condition. And you could fit full-grown adults in the back.
Full grown.
It's not like a 2+2. It's got a full-size back seat, which is nice.
You got room.
People with legs can fit back there.
You know, this really does take off. This is a nice, well done
A
car.
little 289 is good.
Oh,
Nice horn.
love
Yeah,
the
it's not
horn.
the fastest thing ever, but you know,
But it really looks
it
nice.
cruise is wonderful. The automatic shifts very nice,
Can't even tell.
and it gets a lot of looks. A lot of
Does.
people do a double take when you drive by in a red Mustang.
How could you not? I'm just so happy the clock works.
He does get very excited about functioning clocks for whatever reason.
They're fun. And if it's broke, it's right twice a day, but that doesn't really help you now, does it?
This is right. However many
Time. All
minutes there are
24
in a
hours. You've lost it.
All right, bean test time.
Here we go. Actually, this kind of takes off. I'm going over this side of the bump.
Nice
Very
shift.
smooth. Very good.
Good stuff.
Wow, nice.
Up to highway speed.
It's really, really nice. It's very, very good car. Wow.
Seems to track in a straight line.
It does.
Brakes are really good.
Very. Oh, they're doing some blacktop over there.
Yeah, they're starting to lay asphalt, so it stinks over here now.
The second they get it done, we have to do burnouts.
Yeah, we'll ruin it immediately. Just
They'll
kidding.
love us.
We're not going to do that.
Or will we?
It's very nice and smooth now. Very tempting to go over there and do burnouts.
We gotta get David to do it. He'll love it. Man, that stinks. Woo!
But we're here.
We're here at the
For a
bean
flyby.
test. Let's do it, man.
Hopefully the beeping from all the equipment doesn't drown us out like it has been.
Yeah, and this is kind of a quiet car. It's pretty nice. I mean,
It's got dual exhaust though. It's got
It
a nice
does.
rumble out the back.
sounds way better than most new cars. That's for darn sure.
Oh yeah.
Are we ready?
Better than a Tesla.
I'll need your they have piped-in music songs. It's so dumb. So dumb. Jam. He's an old soul, ladies and gentlemen. Glad I wore my Under Armour. Good luck. We're all counting on you. He knows that, though. It's a red Mustang with black interior and a white top. What else do you need? Oh, nice. Does sound good. Give it heck. I don't feel out for love. Here he goes. We've established it's not positive traction. Sounds pretty good going down the road. Brake lights work, which is great. Sounds great. Sounds great. Nice, nice.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hi.
How'd it sound?
It sounded good. It really did.
I know, it's got a nice little rumble.
It's
And
nice.
It's so small, and the turning radius is so good, I just turned around in the middle of the road.
I saw that.
I didn't even have to wait for
You had no choice. He had some crap. Well, I didn't know what was going to happen there, but beautiful car.
It's a gorgeous car. It drives fantastic. I mean, it's exactly what a classic car should be. Convertible, red paint, black interior, V8, automatic. I know a 4-speed would be nice, but this is a cruiser.
This is the reason the company exists, for good classic cars like this.
Exactly.
And it's beautiful.
You ready to take it back?
Let's go. Look at that GT. Look at it.